Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Clip 5 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset back to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any pairing issues like this is not pairing with Bluetooth, it's not connecting to your phone, or it's connecting or pairing to the wrong device and you can't get it sorted out, or anything like that, or if it keeps disconnecting, a lot of stuff like that, or if you're not getting sound properly, just resetting it can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is kind of related. It's just any situation where you want to wipe everything off of this so that we can just go ahead and set this up as a new speaker. And because we're setting it up as a new speaker, when you do this, you're going to want to go on your phone and just delete and have it forget the previous pairing, because we're going to pair it like it's a new speaker. So once we've done that, then we can just come in on the speaker and press and hold the play and the volume up buttons and just do a long press simultaneously for greater than 2 seconds on these two buttons, and that will reset everything to its factory default settings, erase, clear the pairing history, and you can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker. So if this worked for you, if you could let me know and leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.